everybody, Samosi back again. I'm back with a football break today. I got the January Boombox football. This is a $35 ship box. Comes with some hobby packs. This is part one of my series of 5 parts. I will be doing the Mojo Chest, Vault Card Club, and the Lootlocker coming up the next couple days, and a little recap video at the end. So today we are opening up the Boombox. So let's see what we get. Alright, we do get some top loaders, some sleeves, always nice. And the packs that we're opening up today is a 2018 Optic, 2018 Donruss, 2018 Classics, I believe, 2017 Playoff, 2015 Topps Platinum, 2015 Prism, and finally 2015 Contenders. Let's go ahead and start with Contenders. Let's see if we can get one nice hit out of this. Be nice. Josh Gordon and Roethlisberger. Jeffrey. We got College Connections, Bryce Petty and Godley. Matt Jones. Josh Robinson, a little foil there. School Colors, Rashad Green. And a nice old school Odell Beckham Jr. A nice card out of the pack there. Good looking card. Alright, let's move to the Prism Pack 2015. Cordell Patterson. Ooh, Brett Hundley Rookie Purple. And his number 10 out of 50. Kind of a nice looking card there. First serial number card. Nick Foles Prism. Not bad. Fowler rookie and gridiron pack. Alright, 2015 Topps Platinum. Pretty good pack of Prism. I usually don't do that well on Prism packs that year. We got Jeremy Hill, Greg Olson, another Odell Beckham, Cameron Wake. This is the thicker yellow card. I don't think it's numbered. And Kenny Bell rookie. I saw he's in that new football league. Alright, 2017 Playoff, 8 cards. Feels kind of thick. Maybe we got a decoy in there. So looking for our first hit here. Like a decoy. Yes. Alright, Fred Taylor, Jeff Saturday, Kevin Green, decoy, Chris Carson, Flea Flicker, Cooper, Carr, and Lynch, Marco Murray, Boss Hogs, Sammy Watkins, and a Carson Wentz. Not the greatest pack there. Nice Carson at the end though. Alright, let's move to Classics. Cooper Kupp, Mahomes, Coleman, and a Nick Chubb rookie foil. And that is numbered 175. 39 of 175. Not a bad card there. Second serial number card in the break. Cool looking card. For them Browns. Earl Campbell, High Praise. Insert. Rookie card, Ken Stabler, Barry Sanders, Ellard, and Marshall Faulk. Alright, 2 more packs to go. Still looking for a hit. 2018 Donruss. We got Aaron Jones, Doug Martin, Brett Kern, Eddie Jackson, Jacoby Brissett, Drake, and a Kareem Hunt Fantasy Life insert. MVP Rich Gannon. We got Laundry and Pettis. Alright, last pack Mojo, hopefully. 2018 Optic. Alright, we got some kind of insert coming up. We got a Hurst rated rookie, Andrew Luck, David Johnson, and Cam Newton. Pretty sweet looking parallel here. Illusions. Prism. Very cool looking card. Alright, no hits, but a couple cool looking cards. We got that Hundley, number to 50, Cam Newton, Nick Foles Prism, and Nick Chubb, number 120. So no hit, but a couple serial number cards. Pretty happy with the break, but that's it for this Boombox football break, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.